Not only is this 59 Pontiac Catalina Safari a first-year offering that practically framed the term wide track, it's powered by a correct 389 V8, has been tricked out with air ride and a $22,000 paint job, and has been featured at SEMA twice. Lovingly restored by renowned artist Max Grundy, this Catalina Safari is the stuff of a traditional car nerd's dreams. The car's extensive rebuild began when its body was stripped bare and coated in a custom combination of House of Color paint that features a slight pearl effect. As you would expect on a rarity like this, all the car's trim is restored original componentry that has been very well maintained, and deviations are minor but meaningful, with shaved hood and quarter emblems joining shaved fender toppers and smooth tail fins as this poncho's only obvious body modifications. The key to creating any timeless custom is strategically emboldening the already excellent virtues of a prized classic. Blue, cream, and mustard vinyl adorns the car's seats, including a flat-folding third row that's nestled below custom walnut trim and an electric rear window. A shaved and smooth dash seats fully rebuilt gauges above clearly integrated vintage air climate control. The glove box was used to hide modern bits, like switches for the car's air ride and a Bluetooth-capable CD player, and the driver commands the party through a delightfully retro steering wheel. It's always nice to see a restored Pontiac that still features storied Pontiac power. Under the Safari's sculpted hood, you'll find 389 cubic inches of correct Tempest V8, and cradled in the air ride suspension is a correct Hydromatic 4-speed. For many of us, owning a classic car is about defying norms and standing out from the crowd. It's an extension of the passion and creativity we always feel, but can't always display. With this excellent Catalina, you're sure to be the boss of the road and the embodiment of culture. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.